class, here we have a picture of Mr. Payne. He is the assistant principal in our school. Assistant means he helps our principal do everything she does. One of the things he does is to make sure that we are following the rules at school. He also can create new rules to make sure that everybody is safe. His main role this year is to make sure that we are following the rules to stop the spread of COVID-19. It's very important that we listen to his rules or to make sure that we will stay safe at school. He also helps with students that have difficulties to follow in the classroom. Many times you will see him walk in the classroom to help students one-on-one. He is also one of the main authority figures of our school, and this year, especially this year, because of COVID-19, if you have questions or you don't know how to do a rule, please ask Mr. Payne. He is here to answer your questions.